Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how you can connect a Google AdSense account to a Google Analytics account. And the Google Analytics is GA4 because that is a recent upgrade which Google have done to their Google Analytics software. So everything I do will be involving Google Analytics 4. Notice also that I've now got my video back on and I've changed the sort of how I sort of present these videos going forwards. So this will be reflected also in my Python tutorials and in my Excel tutorials and all other tutorials that I will show you going forwards. I also want to be able to I want to not move away from Python, but I also want to show other softwares and turn this more into sort of analytical channel rather than a Python channel. Cool. So let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is if you look at my screen is that I have got here open is my Google Analytics account, and notice also that I haven't got anything connected to it. So this is completely blank. And so what we can do is we can actually create our first connection here being the AdSense account. Another thing which is useful is to open your Google Ads account. And this is where I used to run my YouTube campaigns. I've run a few, but I don't run very much, and I don't put very much money in there. It's just sort of a learning thing that I use it with. It's very interesting to see who actually clicks and who doesn't. And this is one of the main reasons also why you'd want to use Google Analytics. It's because Google Ad or AdWords can only provide so much information and show it in a certain way. Whereas Google Analytics displays things much better, much clearer to see all the differences and to understand the information a lot better. So if you put everything into Google Analytics, then it's really much easier to understand what's going on and to give yourself more insight as to your customers and your audience. So that's the main reason why you'd move things into Google Analytics. Okay, so to set up a data stream, what you would need to do is you would normally need to go to this page and then click on web, and then you'd have you put your website in there, and then you just follow the steps to create your data stream. It's a very simple one actually. They've really simplified this. But because I'm using my AdSense account, my AdWords account, sorry, AdWords, not AdSense, we can actually go down here and link another Google product with Google Analytics. So if you click on Google Ads linking, so notice here we've got no links set up. So let's create a link. So this link will link our Google AdSense account, our AdWords account with our Analytics account. So next thing you do is choose a Google account. This is our Google Ads account that we've got here. Notice that the numbers match. Check the numbers here at the top. And then we can now press confirm and press next, configure our settings. And we're going to enable personalized advertising call, and we're going to enable auto tagging as well. Click next. We can review and then press submit. And that's super quick. And that is it. That's our link created now. And here you will see that our link is now officially in the list. And if you want to create another one, we just do the same process again. And one thing you have to bear in mind is that it doesn't backdate information. So the information will be collated from now onwards on any campaigns that you've run. You can't go backwards to any campaigns that you've run previously and try and draw that information in. So just be aware that's one of the limitations of using Google Analytics and actually Google products in general, really. But you can also link your BigQuery, Google BigQuery, and other sort of softwares as well. So in digital marketing, there are so many softwares out there, and there are so many different products just within Google that are available. One of the great things about the Google products is that they're free. And so it's a really great place to start if you want to know more about digital marketing. But this really is the information that's been created. And I haven't got any information in yet because I'm actually not running any campaigns at the moment. So it's all paused, 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 paused. It's all paused. So the next thing I can do is let's enable a campaign to view it, and let's resume the campaign, and then we'll come back to this in a later tutorial and we'll see what we can do with it. So it's just a quick video on how to set up your Google AdSense account, AdWords account with your Google Analytics account, and um, some summary of where we're going to go in the future. Thanks very much for watching.